says last year, the biggest and most prestigious pageant in the country is now back with Binibining Cebu 2018. 54 candidates representing each municipality and city of Cebu compete for the crown as Binibining Cebu 2018. Unlike last year's 3, there are now 5 crowns, including Binibining Cebu, Binibining Cebu Tourism, Binibining Cebu Charity, Binibining Cebu Heritage, and Binibining Cebu Ecology.
I learned that in this specific duty as Binibining Cebu Charity, that might be common to all 3 of us, is that we always have to put our work ethic over the glamour. And we always have to put our heart and sincerity over the pretty, the makeup, and the show. But we learn to be professional on top of all of it.
We can think of it like kind of as on-the-job training. We're all 18 years and above. These girls will be joining the working world. So it really did prepare us in a mature way. We have to be on time. We have to log in when we get there. We always have to be present at events and look presentable.
Number 1 advice is just to be yourself, just be natural, and especially attitude and personality is very important. Like all of the activities, all of the processing until the end of the coronation night, bisag dili coronation night, like personality is important. Like for me, ako, like I'm natural lang. I'm not like pretending to be someone else. Kaya I joined ko this pageant.
Other than the world-renowned designer Carrie Santiago, this year's pageant also features the works of local young fashion designers.
Each designer, 18 of them, will be assigned. There will be 3 ladies assigned to 1 designer. 1 color from each designer. So this is very exciting because we will see the talent of local talents.
The resort wear and swimwear pre-pageant gala dinner will be happening this September 26, 2018 at Mandani Bay, along with a pre-pageant interview on October 14. The grand coronation night will be on October 19 in the Waterfront Hotel and Casino.
This year, all the major events will be streamed live on Yahoo, Care of Sky Cable. So as you've seen also, one of our major sponsors is Yahoo. So they will be streaming it live just like last year.
With local beauties and talents, this year's Binibining Cebu is surely something to look forward to. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.